Hello! This is Kerri Livengood, and thank you for taking a moment to learn about how you can improve your internal communication with Microsoft Teams. In a previous episode of this series, we went over how you can share files between you and your coworkers in Teams and OneDrive easily. So in this video, we want to dive a little deeper in this topic and show you the benefits of using Teams as your file sharing platform and how you can utilize its tools to best collaborate with your team. To start collaborating with your coworkers, first you will need to open a file. Open the team and channel and go to the Files tab. There are 3 different ways of editing files with Teams: opening the file in your desktop app, opening the file online, or opening it within the Teams application. We will start with opening the file outside of Teams. Hover over your file and click on the 3 gray dots, then select either Open in Desktop app or Open Online. This will redirect you outside of Teams to the location that you have selected. From here, you will be able to edit the file you opened and save it back to the Teams location. When editing files this way, because you have opened the most recently edited version of the file, others who try and access it will not be able to make edits. Instead, a read-only version of the document will open for them, where they won't be able to make changes, but they will be able to view the document as it was last saved. As long as the file is open outside of the Teams application, it will show as a read-only file to everyone else who tries to access it. This method of file editing is best if you don't want a lot of people to access the file at once. However, there is also an option to collaborate with your coworkers on a file in real time. Instead of opening the file outside of Teams, if you open the file within the Teams application, you will be able to edit the file at the same time as others who are viewing the file. To open the file, you can either click on it or hover over it and click on the 3 gray dots, then select the option to edit the file in Teams. This will redirect you to the Teams page for editing your selected document. In Teams, you can edit and collaborate on Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, and Form documents. Once your file is open, you have all the tools available to you that you would use within the desktop application, including font editing, shapes, images, and tables. All that needs to happen for you to start editing the document in real time with your coworkers is for all of you to be in the document at the same time. When in the file, you will see the different icons for those who are currently in the document with you. There are 2 different ways of working on files in real time with your coworkers: editing and reviewing. You can see these 2 options from the toolbar in the drop-down box. If you select editing, anyone who opens and edits the document will be able to make changes to the original text. This means that all original work from the document can potentially be erased, so be careful. If you select the option to review, all users who open the document will be assigned a color and will be able to mark up the document without deleting the original text. Both of these methods are great for remote meetings that need to touch the file at the same time, for collaborating on new projects, for watching trainees entering in their numbers remotely, and so much more. You can even collaborate with your coworkers by utilizing the options to add notes or continue the chat from within the file. If you click on the conversation button in the top right corner, this will open a chat room where you can send quick messages to others editing the file with you. This is great for contacting coworkers who might not have a microphone or for quick messages. Another option is to add a comment. You can add comments by clicking on the comments icon and either selecting the new button or highlighting over a piece of text, then clicking the new button. If you just click the new icon without highlighting text, this will leave a general comment on the file. But if you highlight over a section of text and click new, this will allow you to write comments specific to the area you selected. Use this for adding additional notes to an edit instead of marking up the whole document. When you are done editing the document, click on the close icon in the top right corner of the screen. All your changes will be saved automatically, so there is no need to save. And if there are others who are still in the document and editing it while you leave, all of your changes will be saved. Thank you for taking the time to learn how you can collaborate with your coworkers in Teams for editing files. If you are running through these steps and it is not working for you, or you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us and we will be happy to help.